At Graystone, you invest, we do the rest.
Good afternoon, family. It is a phenomenal day here in Tampa Bay. Just wanted to pop on and say congratulations to my clients that just locked down a brand new home. We started that journey in home ownership just a few weeks ago, and we made it happen. Many of you have been contacting me about real estate investing. Awesome. Now is the time. And I can't think of a better company to start with than Graystone Investment Group. I mean, where else are you going to find a company that offers these different facets in real estate investing? Private lending. You need the funds. You need to close quickly. You know how the market is. How about property management? Who really wants to get that call at 1 a.m. on a Saturday because the AC went out? I know I don't. Or how about an acquisition team that can find any type of property that you're looking for? And we have vendors that can do all the work from rehab, gutting it, and all that great stuff.
And remember, at Graystone, you invest, we do the rest.